This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the Old Town neighborhood, looking north toward the great pedestrian-friendly strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Well Street. Looking down over the sprawling pool deck, just one of the many fabulous amenities at the Old Town Park community, where I'm standing on the balcony of one of the furnished level suites. They're available for 30-day and longer stays. Just stepped into spacious living, dining, kitchen area. It's the open plan that everybody seems to love. They have high ceilings, blonde plank flooring, very stylish finishes, and kitchen appliances. They have a waterfall granite counter, backsplash that extends up to the ceiling. There's a range hood, 5-burner gas range. There's a cabinet front dishwasher and refrigerator freezer, contrasting upper and lower cabinets, tons of storage. Just a great feel for this unit. Blonde plank flooring makes the space feel more open. A very stylish bath. Comes equipped with linens, toiletries. It's a very wide mirror with a medicine cabinet above the vanity. Deep soaking tub, body spray attachment. Closet has an ironing board, iron, and an umbrella. And then there's a front-loading, full-size stacked washer dryer. Heading into the bedroom. Nice sized room. A great closet. Comes equipped with robes, tons of shelving, hanging space, laundry basket, and windows looking out over the balcony. Level apartments, as I mentioned, are available for 30-day and longer stays. It's a great option when you're relocating to Chicago. You're in a great neighborhood with a short walk to the Mag Mile, River North, the Gold Coast, the Great Well Street Strip, in a building with fabulous amenities. Really should give some consideration to a 30-day stay at a level apartment if you're relocating to Chicago or here on business for an extended trip. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.